please click on the red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then click on the bell icon for notifications.
Money,
I want those of you watching me to wish me happy birthday. I think I deserve it. Don't you think so? Thank you. My message to Nigerian youths, they should persevere in whatever they are doing. Unfortunately, the old ones in politics like us don't want to make way for the young ones, which is why we're not progressive, you know. All over the world, they have very young men who are taking over the reins of power. You go to France, Sweden and all that, you know. These are young men in their 30s, right? Let us give the young men a chance. The young men too should give themselves a chance, not indulge in a lot of things that should weaken them mentally and physically. Let them to have a chance. They deserve to run this country, right?
In this video, I will be sharing with you 5 sons of Nollywood legend Yul Edochie. Veteran Nollywood actor Yul Edochie, who has always been described as the Lion of Africa, has a lovely family plus 5 sons, but not all are known by the public because they are not in the limelight, and the public might care to know more about them. Nollywood legend Yul Edochie was born on March 7, 1947 in Anambra State, his hometown, and currently 73 years old. He is a devoted Catholic who is from the Igbo tribe. So therefore, after a careful study and research, I present to you 5 sons of Nollywood legend Yul Edochie you probably didn't know. Number 1. Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie is the first son of Nollywood legend Yul Edochie. He is currently married with lovely kids. He is not known by the public because he is not into entertainment business. He is an industrious businessman and a lovely husband. Number 2. Uche Edochie.
Okay, hello everyone. Just came back from the opening of our exhibition, Journey to Mastery, and it was wonderful. It was wonderful. It was good to see so many old friends, artists, patrons, you know. It was wonderful. I rarely look forward to openings because I'm more about the art, but it's always good to see my friends. So thank you so much for your support. Very grateful for that. So I've given you 2 shows now in 6 months. 2 shows. You know, I've been gone for a while, so I just felt like that's compensation for all this while I've been gone. The story is that I retired. I'm 44. Who retires at 44? There's also another story that Uche has been gone for this long because, you know, he's making so much money selling dildos, you know, he doesn't give a shit about art anymore. Yeah, well. Yes to the first part. Well, of course I can. Of course I can. But I'm back. So, that's it. Thank you.
Uche Edochie is the second son of Nollywood legend Yul Edochie. He is also married with lovely kids. He is also not known by the public because he is not into entertainment business. He is an industrious businessman and a caring husband. Number 3. Linc Edochie. Linc Edochie is the third son of Nollywood legend Pete Edochie. He is also married with lovely kids. He is an actor and not everyone will know him because he doesn't act frequently in movies. However, he has starred in quite a number of Nollywood movies. Linc Edochie is also a movie producer and also an actor who has been acting movies since 1995 when he appeared in a school play. Linc Edochie wanted to quit school for movie acting, but his father insisted on furthering his education before getting involved in acting. He has starred in Nollywood blockbuster movies like My Wicked Uncle, Tears of Sacrifice, and many more. Number 4. Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie is the fourth son of Nollywood legend Pete Edochie. He is currently married with lovely kids. He is not known by the public because he is not into the entertainment business. He is a gentleman and loves to live a peaceful and quiet life. He is not into showbiz, but rather he is an industrious businessman and a lovely husband. Number 5. Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie is the fifth and last son of Nollywood legend Pete Edochie. He is very popular and regarded as the most popular among all the 5 sons of Nollywood legend. He is the exact replica of his father and possesses the same voice. He is an actor and has starred in several Nollywood blockbuster movies.
And I'm fine. There's nothing wrong with me. I was in and I'm good. As you can see, I'm fine. My hands are good. My legs. See?
When you see Yul Edochie, you will easily recognize him as the son of Nollywood legend Pete Edochie because of their close resemblance. Yul Edochie is happily married with lovely kids. Yul Edochie is the last child of Pete Edochie, but is well known than all the other children. Yul Edochie completed his basic education in Enugu, after which he completed his tertiary education at the University of Port Harcourt and graduated with a bachelor's degree in dramatic art. He got married at the age of 22 years old and has been married to the same woman since then to date. He became famous after his role in the Nollywood blockbuster movie Wing of Glory. Yul Edochie, out of his generosity to help young people who want to act excel, decided to open his own movie production company known as Yul Edochie Academy in Lagos, where he teaches young people several acting techniques.
Have you ever seen the party like so? You really got to want to show you let it go. Blue, brown, and the man them know. When you look at me, tell me what do you see? All the guys around me, and they be feeling me. Yeah. When you look at me, tell me what do you see? All the girls around me, and they be feeling me. Yeah. I got the pedigree, I got the pedigree, I got the pedigree, yeah. I got the pedigree, going to the pedigree, yeah. I got the pedigree, I got the pedigree, yeah.